How to fix WhatsApp always online problem on Android phone. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix WhatsApp always online problem on Android phone. First, just you can hide online if you want. Just click these 3 points here. Click these 3 points and then click settings and go to account, privacy, and here we'll find last seen and online. And if you want to hide online, just select here. You can select the contact that you want. Click here my contact, and that's it. Then just like that, and select anything, anyone here, and that's it. Or you can just click here nobody and then select everyone, and now your online have been hidden. And if you want to do it with another way, just go to settings and apps, and then apps again, and just type here WhatsApp, and here you can stop WhatsApp and your online will be stopped. Just click here for stop and for stop again, and that's it for today's video. Don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.